Hey guys, so this video is very bittersweet for me to film, and it's the most requested video I think that I have right now. So back in 2000 and whatever, when I lived in Williamsburg, I did a bedroom tour because I had a roommate at the time, and so I didn't want to put our whole apartment on the internet without her permission. So I did a room tour. You can see that below. I'll link it below. It's been there for a while, but you would see some traces of similar things in my apartment. Um, the reason why this is bittersweet is because I have to move, not by choice. My landlord is selling my apartment, of my individual apartment. So I'm super bummed. I found out a couple of days before Christmas, and I've known about this for quite a while, and I have to be out April 1st. It's still too early for me to look at apartments, which is really a bummer for me because I really like to get on top of things. So this is my apartment. I'm sort of hopeful that I can find something just as nice as this, but I've been priced out of my neighborhood. Brooklyn is very expensive, so I don't know where I'll end up, and I probably won't have all of the luxuries that I do have here, but I just wanted to film this, and I thought it would be a good, um, video to look back on just to see my old apartment. So filmed this a couple weeks ago, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's Deirdre, who is the one that always asks me to do this, so this is for you particularly. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so when you come into my apartment, this is sort of the entryway. There is some books, and there's a lot of shoes by the door right now because I don't have anywhere to put them because they're mostly snow boots. Yeah, so this is sort of my like virtual doorman thing, a picture that I took in Japan, and then just my bookshelf of things because I needed something to put there. And then there's a closet right here that has storage above it as well. And this just has my coats and a lot of other stuff like a vacuum and things like that. This doesn't always close all the way, so apologize for that. So if you stepped into my apartment, this is sort of what you would see. It's sort of hard to shoot this, but I cleaned up to the best of my capabilities, but I didn't do the best job. So this is my kitchen table that my sister actually made. It is just wood that we purchased from Home Depot and stained, and then the pipe legs that we got to use didn't support it, so we had to get these sawhorses and stain them as well. The chairs are all from Target. We matched them, and the candelabra my sister got me for my birthday one year, and it is from Marshall's, and I love it. Then over in this corner, I have exposed brick over here with the faux fireplace. I'll kind of show you that. This is a huge blow up of one of my favorite albums of all time, Pinkerton by Weezer. And then there's a guitar over here that I don't know how to play, and my liquor cabinet with or bar cart that says "Let's Have a Kiki," which is from a Scissor Sisters song, and then just like this little small table with some stuff on that. So then if you're over in here, my living room area, there's tons of wires on the floor and stuff, I'm sorry, but I use this, like I eat here and then I work here and do stuff at the kitchen table too. So I have a little side table over here with some Chanel nail polishes, a little camera, my Amazon Echo that I don't know how to use, and then just some photos. This Prada Marfa sign, and then this little painting that I got in Sri Lanka. And then over here, you can see there's the windows that lead out to my apartment. And I'll just walk over here so you can get a better look of the apartment. So this is just my table, and then kitchen over there, which I'll walk into next. And then I have this rug from Home Goods, and this table from like Wayfair or something like that, which just has a bunch of stuff on it. This chair was my parents' old chair that's been here for a long time. The faux fireplace area has some candles in it from IKEA and Urban Outfitters, and then just some of my plants. Modest Mouse and Braid, they're both bands poster, and then I have tons of plants in the window. Curtains are from Target. plants, 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 TV and soundbar and antenna thing, which is not the most attractive. And then just like this little sitting corner, which has storage in there. And then a Neutral Milk Hotel poster. That's annoying. This mirror, which is like a ship portal. And then my records and stuff over here. If you can see that. So it's one of those IKEA things with records all on the bottom, and then just some pictures and books and stuff, and then my project audio turntable, and then audio and my speakers, just some more plants. That's my turntable with my acrylic platter. That mask is from Sri Lanka. This little dog is from New Orleans, and this guy is from Japan. Just some more aloe, because my aloe over here just keeps rapidly producing like crazy. Okay. So then my kitchen area, I probably spend the most time in here. So it just has this, it has Edison bulbs, which are out of focus right now. But it just has this island area that I use to cook on, but there's also stools under here if you want to sit there and do whatever. Dishwasher, microwave, and then on top of my microwave is sort of my like coffee corner, which I have my Chemex over here, and then my French press, which I use most often, and then Cafe Bucello is my coffee of choice. Above that, I have just some shelves just to brighten it up with some cookbooks and things. This hanging pot thing was here when I moved in, and then my knives, not my knives, and then sink, whatever. This mirror was here when I moved in as well. I have these little guys above there that I've had for a while. Fridge with some storage on top, and then just like tons of stuff over here. And then over here is sort of like the laundry area and my bedroom. Somebody's like moving or doing something upstairs, but again, I have this little blue cabinet over here, or set of drawers or whatever, with some cookbooks and stuff and matches that I kind of steal from or collect from any sort of restaurant I go to, and I have them in there for my candles and things. This I got from Etsy. This I got from Roberta's the restaurant. And then that's a clock from IKEA. And then this has never closed before in my life here, but it does hold a washer dryer, which is sort of unheard of in New York City, and I'm going to be very sad when I don't have that anymore. And then just a mess of things in here, storage and linens and recycling. Bathroom, poop deck. I thought that was funny and clever. I currently have this flamingo shower curtain, which I think is really cute. Rug from Target, vanity area and whatnot. And then over here is just like a slew of stuff. This my friend Mallory gave me. It's just a cart that just has lots of products because I don't have any storage in here. Above the toilet, again, like storage stuff and some candles and things. That's from Etsy up here. That is in Thai up there. I thought that was cute. And then I just have some pictures on the wall that are sort of crooked right now. I love that. Some of these are cards that people gave me and stuff that I've kept. Then my bedroom is over here. I have this R on the door that I got from Flying Tiger. And then over here is my dresser. I'll walk in and show you this better, but just so you can see my room. Exposed brick over there. There's a closet similar to the other closet. And then it's really hard to shoot this. I'm really sorry. I hope you guys are enjoying this. So I just have this kind of black and white gallery wall of sorts. The photo over here, my sister took in London 14 years ago when I was studying abroad there. This is a storefront in Williamsburg, which was on Driggs Avenue, which is where I lived before this. And so I'd walk by that every day. It looked haunted. This is my sister took on her iPhone, and I just really loved it. Let me shut this off. So I just really love this picture, and it's just like kind of muted, so it's not totally all black and white, but that is This is Bali that I shot in Bali, black and white, Stranger Things poster, Japan Droid CD thing that was signed, some photo booth pictures, and then this is my sister's art, which I've talked about before, but I will link her below as well. Headboards from Macy's. Duvet is really old and it's from West Elm. And then curtains are from Target. Mirror, TV. That is from Social Print Studio, the Instagram photos. And then the Oh My God, I Miss You, I got in LA. My favorite movie of all time is What We Do in the Shadows, and that's a Japanese poster of it. Then over here is just my vanity from Target that I've had forever. And then the Muji cubes that I store everything in. Those are my legs, sorry. Cube, carpet's really dirty. And then my dresser that I've had for a while. And then just what's above it. Gray Matlin beach shot. And then just what's on my dresser, which this is my cousin and I when we were little kids. This from Supermoon Bakery that I use for storage. This R thing from Sea Wonder that doesn't exist anymore, but it has lipsticks in there. Some crystals, some candles, some perfume, and some jewelry. My Bose thing. These little Tim Burton guys. Jewelry. Mercury in retrograde. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope it wasn't too shaky, and I hope that you could see with all of these bright lights and things of that nature. Thanks for watching.